It's going to be intense. So, Keelan, Tack, Longinus, Vertical Moment. Is going to take on Chance Hope with Blizzard, Thrasher. So, we're seeing the ceiling on Keelan's power. So, it only has 2 more lives with it. So, we're going to keep going until it loses them 2 lives. And it's going to be intense. So, it's going to be intense. Keelan taking on Blizzard, Thrasher. It's going to be intense, man. Let's see, man, showing off that power. There's gonna be intense battle with stamina. For sure, man. So he's got it, man. He's got it. And Keelan taking it with that. Alright, that's 1. Alright. Moment. Thrasher. And boom. Right, there we go, man. Oh, big hit. Big hit. Ooh, barrage attacks. It ain't getting enough balance. Oh, big hit. Who's got it? Oh, Blizzard. Who's got it with this? And, ooh, I think Keelan took it by a slight rotation. Alright, that's 2. That's 2. Alright. God damn it. Like I said, it doesn't like this launcher sometimes. Boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Big hit. Oh, these barrage attacks. Ooh, barrage bump up barrage attacks. Okay. Ooh, big hit, yo. Throwing it off balance. Who's got it? Who's got it? And why? Should I count that? It tactically bursted it. I'm gonna call that a draw. I'm gonna call that a draw. It tactically did burst it, but that's why I said I didn't know. Because it bursted right at the end. I'm gonna call that a draw. That's 2. Alright. Boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Big hit. Now the wings are out for Thrasher. Oh, big hit. Oh, big hit. Yo, hard ass hits. Not even gonna lie. Alright, who's got it? And Keelan taking it with that. That's 3. Alright, that's 3. That's 3 with that. Oh, here we go. Boom. And boom. Alright, here we go. Big hit, that's 3 points to Keelan. Oh, big hit, yo. These barrage attacks. Uh-oh. Who's got it? Yo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. No way. Yeah, it bursted it. Yeah. Yup. It totally bursted it. Okay. Yup. We're done. GG's, bro. It did bursted it. It just didn't sprung out. But yeah, man. I'm counting that as a burst because it literally bursted it, but it didn't like sprung out or anything. But yeah, man, so Keelan just taking the dub with this. Okay.